Is your GMC Sierra backup camera flickering, showing a black screen, or just completely offline? Surprisingly, 80% of these signal issues come down to simple wiring faults at the rear tailgate connector. Let us break down the diagnostics to get that view back on your display. Start by cleaning the lens and checking your fuse box before crawling under the truck to inspect the harness. Common culprits include corroded pins at the tailgate, a dying camera module, or even a simple software glitch in your head unit. If those check out, look for a loose ground wire near the bumper or a damaged signal cable running along the chassis. You can handle the basics yourself, but intermittent signal loss often requires professional wiring repair or module flashing. Costs vary wildly, from a few dollars for contact cleaner to hundreds for module replacement at a dealer. For advanced testing, use a multimeter to verify power at the connector and scan for any hidden body control codes. Keep a basic toolkit ready with a multimeter and contact cleaner to handle most of these electrical gremlins. Remember, don't rush to buy expensive parts until you have absolutely verified your electrical connections are clean and dry. If this guide helped you restore your view, hit subscribe for more Sierra troubleshooting tips.